Nice. Hi guys. I'm back. It's Lelo Matondo with another video. Guys, we out here now. We're gonna do poles. Now we're gonna do a straight parking on the poles now. This is where we're gonna park. And this is where this is our starting point. Our starting point. We're gonna reverse. We're gonna reverse the truck. The thing we're gonna do here, in order for us to get in perfectly here, we're gonna make sure that when we reverse at the truck, when we see our poles like this, come sisters, let me show you.
Okay.
Yeah, let me show you. Do you see the poles now?
Yes.
When you see them like this side,
Yes.
this side has 4 poles, right?
Yes.
And then that side has 4 poles.
Yeah.
All of them, there are 8, don't it?
Yes.
So when they're like this, you make sure the poles that you look at, you start by from 1, 2. You see number 2 from your left side when you stand here. Number 2, and then from your right side that way, you look at number 4.
Oh, okay.
Look at number 4. Number 2 and number 4 must be intertwined. So guys, I don't know if you can see them. Let me go closer so that you can see them, guys. Let me go closer. As you can see, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 3, guys. And then this is number 4. So the poles that you need to look is this one. From number 1, you need to look at number 2. Number 2, after you look at that side, look at number 4. The poles should be parallel. When you look at them, number 4 and number 2 should be parallel. But on the test there, the poles that works, it's 1 and 3. So here on the ground, here at our driving school, we demonstrated as a difficult pole. So that's why you gotta look at number 2 and number 4, because of why it's smaller. But there on the test, it's bigger. So you use number 1 and 3. So here, you gotta make sure that our poles are parallel, and then that's gonna show us that our truck, we have to do a full swing and then get in perfectly. So I'm gonna show Virginia here how we're gonna do it. So did you see the poles there?
Yes.
So the poles that way, number 2 and number 4, they must be parallel. You make sure that it's parallel, and then when it's parallel, we stop, we do a full swing on our right, and then we turn. Let's go. Let's do it practically and see it, guys. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna show you from the inside, guys, on how you balance how to balance your car, and I'm gonna demonstrate it when I'm outside, guys, and then you're gonna see it properly on how you do it. Nice. What you need to do is hit the full clutch, reverse. Nice. And then you go back. Handbrake down. Nice. Pull it down, all of it. Pull it down, all of it. Nice. Nice. It's good. Then go back. Hold your steering wheel like that. Hold your steering wheel straight. Nice. Let's go back and turn your head. Look at the poles there. 2 and 4. Nope. Don't look at the mirror. Turn your head and look at the poles. Let's go. Let's go. Full clutch. Oh wait. Look at the poles. Let's go back until we see them intertwined. And then full clutch brake. How is it?
Yeah. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Nice. Then if you see it parallel, guys, you do a full swing. Do a full swing on your right. On your right, yes. Make sure that you do a full swing on your right, guys. And then you hold it like that. You hold it like that until we stop. You make it a point that you hold the steering wheel on a full swing until we stop. Now let's go, sisters. We're gonna see our poles on the mirrors now. After we've done the full swing, we're gonna see our poles in the mirrors. Make sure that we see all our poles in the mirrors. Full clutch brake. Nice. Nice. Now we at the straight reverse. Do a straight, fix the tires straight. After you've seen your positioning, if it's straight, you make sure, guys, that you put your tires straight without looking at them. Do a steering wheel method, 2.5. Do a full swing. Do a full swing. Yeah, do a full swing.
Yes.
Then do 2.5. 1. Nice. 2, nice, and then your half.
Half.
Good. And then if you're sure, guys, I'm gonna stand outside and show you that the car is standing up properly straight, and then our car is gonna go up straight without crashing the poles. Nice. As you can see, guys, we already parked the car in our positioning. Nice, and our tires are straight. So what we need to do is just go straight now, without turning, without hesitating. Just go. Nice. Perfect. 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 All of our sides. Then stop. After you've reached the second pole, you stop. Nice. Good. That's perfect. That's how you do it, guys. You relax, keep your composure, make sure that you position your car properly, and then you go up straight. Nice. That's how you do a straight reverse, guys. That's how you do a parking. You don't panic. You relax, keep a composure, and then you make sure that you time yourself and you measure yourself. Mathematics is very important when you reverse, because of why you need to make sure that you measure where you want to go. You measure your spaces. You measure your car.